We caught a little bit of rain in Vernon with our Alpha Insurance camera there at Durham's Pharmacy this afternoon. Some downpours, some refreshing breezes or gusty breezes. Some spots getting some of those gusts up to about 40 miles per hour. Most of the rain in our area has come to an end. There are a few blips on radar, maybe a sprinkle or a light shower. Keep in mind, we still have this tornado watch in effect for areas along and west of 55. Yalobusha, Grenada, Montgomery, Carroll counties until 9 o'clock this evening. Because of that, we are watching these storms out here in the Delta, north of Indianola, out towards eastern Arkansas. Some of those have been rotating a little bit, as is typical with a landfalling storm. And we'll also have to watch this little band of showers trying, and I mean trying, to perk on up here west of I-55 in the Delta and western Mississippi. So there's a possibility for a little bit of severe weather in the region this evening and tonight, but we don't really think there's probably going to be a lot, but we'll keep watching it. The wind continues to be stirred up by the area of low pressure. The remnants of Laura, wind gusts 30, 40, 50 miles per hour still in the Delta and Arkansas. There's the swirl right there associated with the remnant low. Still a tropical storm, and over the next 3 days it will continue to drift off to the northeast, and it could actually regenerate into a tropical storm. Once it weakens, it will maybe generate back into a tropical system by the time it gets into the Atlantic Ocean. Crazy. But for us tonight into tomorrow, a low-end severe weather threat for tornadoes, damaging wind, flooding. But as we mentioned earlier, there could be some gusts over 40. There may be some locally heavy downpours, and there could be a few spin-up tornadoes. I think the odds are highest for anything like that tomorrow during the daytime heating. But anything this time of night or this time of day, even into the night and into tomorrow morning with the landfalling system, we'll have to watch it. All right, temperatures for this evening and tonight, 80s giving way to 70s. Speaking of that severe weather risk for tomorrow, we are in this level 2 out of 5 in many spots, and that just means there's a little bit better chance for some rotating showers or storms. So don't be too freaked out about it, but we'll continue to monitor the situation. Mid to upper 80s for our highs on our Friday. There's also a flash flood watch for the northern tier of Mississippi that goes through tomorrow night. That's where the heaviest rain is more likely. Now, some of these numbers are really high, but we may not max out at some of those numbers, but this model is suggesting the best chance for a localized heavy rain across the northern and western parts of our coverage area. So if you live farther south, we may not see a lot of heavier rain. We'll just see how it all shakes out. So this evening, we'll be watching out to see if any of those storms or showers back to the west of 55 can perk up a little bit. But overall, during the night, probably not too active. I say probably, just to hedge a little bit. Tomorrow morning, we will be watching the remnant low in Arkansas moving to Tennessee. And during the daylight hours, look at this, scattered showers and storms here across northeastern Mississippi and West Alabama. A lot of that goes away tomorrow night. Here's your AccuWeather 70 forecast. A little bit of a break in many spots Saturday, but more scattered storms and showers Sunday into early next week.